Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance. Today, we're tackling how to send an e-check to someone in 2025. With advancements in tech making payments quicker and more secure, e-checks are a game changer for anyone avoiding the hassle of paper checks. If you've ever wondered how to send money electronically without relying on apps like Venmo or PayPal, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First off, what's an e-check? It's basically an electronic version of a traditional check, allowing you to transfer funds directly from your bank account to someone else's. In 2025, most banks have streamlined this process with enhanced security features like biometric verification and instant notifications. Why use it? It's cost-effective, reduces fraud risks, and is widely accepted for bills, refunds, or personal payments. To get started, make sure you have a bank account that supports e-checks. Most major banks do by now. Step 1. Log into your bank's mobile app or website using your credentials. If you're on the app, look for the Payments or Transfers tab. Once there, select the e-check option. You'll need the recipient's email, bank details, or a routing number. Double-check this to avoid errors. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to send and add any necessary details, like a memo for the payment. In 2025, you'll see AI-powered suggestions to categorize your transaction, making it even easier. Step 3. Review everything carefully. This is crucial. Confirm the recipient's info and the amount to prevent mistakes. Then, hit Send and wait for confirmation. Most e-checks process within minutes, but it could take up to 24 hours depending on the banks involved. A few tips to keep it smooth. Always use a secure network, enable two-factor authentication, and keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized activity. If you run into issues, like a declined transaction, contact your bank's support. They're usually available 24/7 now. There you have it. Sending an e-check in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Give it a try for your next payment and let us know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.